And people have been posting all over social media, on Reddit, on a number of forums that Judy was out partying with Johnny Depp and that she's biased and that she did something wrong. And in talking with Judy, it couldn't be further from the truth.
Amber Heard is not done with all her accusations even after the court ruled in favor of Johnny Depp. This time, Amber is targeting court reporter and stenographer Judy Bellinger. We know how Depp would greet her whenever he entered the courtroom and would joke around during breaks. This is why the Aquaman actress accused Judy of being biased, especially after videos of her and Johnny's team seemingly having a party of some sort circulated the internet. Judy, on the other hand, decided to set the record straight once and for all. So, what did Amber say about the court report and how did Judy react to these accusations? Let's find out. Apparently, Amber claimed that the court report was super biased and sided with Johnny Depp, which is the reason why they lost the case. A lot of her fans thought the same as well and pulled up a video of Judy and Johnny hugging at a party during Memorial Weekend.
Videos going around and people are saying that she did something inappropriate. You see the video there popping up on the screen. Johnny Depp had given her a hug. That's a friend of Johnny Depp's, a longtime friend who gave her a hug as well. And Judy and I talked about this because this is something that's been coming up online.
Well, Judy said that there was nothing malicious about that hug and that everything was just a coincidence.
The courthouse closes at a certain time and I didn't make it back in time. And Judge Ascarati just wanted to close the record. And I'm like, oh yeah, well, I'm stuck outside. I'm getting my oil changed. And
in fact, Johnny's team helped her a lot that day and was only there to retrieve her computer, which Ben Chu recovered from the courthouse for her.
But then I needed my equipment. So Mr. Chu and it was Rebecca. I think they were the ones that were there, and they were kind enough to pack up my computer for me in my backpack, because that's all I needed. I leave my machine there because it's just quicker to come in and just set up my computer and not have to set everything up every day all over. So they were kind enough. They said, okay, if you tell us how to, disconnect everything, we'll bring it to you, because we have an office right around the corner from where we are now, and this is where they were staying.
Judy recounted everything, saying,
so they're like, okay, and then I guess Johnny had told them he would really like to meet the court reporter, which was like shocking to me. I'm like, I'm just the court reporter. And so when they brought me my equipment, well, they were going to bring it, and there was no one at our Greensboro office, and you can't get in if there's no one there.
So and it's Memorial Day weekend.
Right. So
it's a holiday weekend.
Yes. So they just brought it back to the hotel, and they said, hey, do you mind if we just take it to the hotel and you can pick it up here?
At the end, she only met with Johnny because the actor wanted to meet her in person. Nothing more, nothing less.
And stuff with them, and they were in the hospitality room, and Johnny was in there. And so I had to go in there and get my equipment, and I saw him, and they're like, he really wants to meet you. And I was in there for probably less than 10 minutes. And he just hugged me and thanked me again. And I hugged a couple other people there, and I got my equipment, and I came out, and I left and went home.
This fan was confused as to why people were calling Judy biased when she was only doing her job. In a comment, the fan wrote, "It just seems like a lovely lady. Johnny was friendly and kind to everyone when arriving and leaving the courthouse. He then employed the lady, as did Heard. What is the problem? They helped her out. Even if they had invited her, she deserved to be there. Hell, she typed away for hours each day for weeks on end." Another fan stated, "Amber's team could have helped her as well, but they were too busy helping themselves. They knew the trail for them had gone beyond repair. Respect to Johnny's lawyers for their true act of kindness amidst all these exhausting trials." Well, at the end of the day, a court report will not and could not affect the jury's decisions, so these accusations are groundless and unnecessary. At best, it's just another way to blame the jury for a ruling against Amber's favor. How about you? Do you think Judy committed a mistake, or did Amber and her fans speculate too much? Let us know in the comments below.